How to put a needle on the Otesaly dermal filler syringe. Firstly, loosen and remove the syringe cap. Secondly, quickly open the package seal of the injection needle. Thirdly, hold the needle protecting cover gently. Screw the needle into the syringe with luer lock and tighten it. Finally, remove the protecting cover of the injection needle, then the treatment can be started. Tips: before injection, check whether the needle and syringe are installed correctly. If abnormal resistance is encountered during injections, stop the injection and reinstall the needle. Guangzhou Alma Company is one of the first 10 factories to produce sodium hyaluronate gel in the world. Please feel free to contact us if you need OEM service.